Are you thinking of investing money in the stock market, day trading, or doing Forex? You must watch this video until the end if you want to know all of the ways that you can lose a lot of money in the stock market. One of them may even save you hundreds of thousands of dollars. Hi there, my name is Tyler Horvath and I have invested a lot of money in the stock market. I have also lost a lot of money in the stock market. In this video, I am going to show you all of the ways that I have lost money in the stock market so you can learn from my mistakes. Number 1, Forex. Forex is basically just trading currencies. If you buy shares of USD and the value of the dollar goes up, you can make money. But trading Forex is one of the quickest ways to lose money. Currencies are constantly changing and Forex is very volatile. Even if you do your research, you never really know if these will go up or down. It's basically just gambling and not a great way to build your wealth. Number 2, buying individual stocks. While many people have made money buying individual stocks at a low price and selling them years later at a higher price, it's still quite difficult to build wealth buying individual stocks. Why? Mainly because if you just invest in single stocks, you will need a lot of money to be able to make any sort of good return. Another reason is that you just don't really know what will happen to a single company or stock over time. Betting all of your money on a single stock is a great way to lose a lot of money. Number 3, going all in. Putting all of your eggs in one basket can be good for some things, but investing is not one of them. The key to building wealth in the stock market is hedging your bets and diversifying your portfolio. If you go all in with a single stock or some other commodity, it's likely you will lose all of your money. You should diversify your portfolio to include a number of different sectors, stocks, bonds, and index funds. Number 4, biopharmaceuticals, startups, and high-risk stocks. Startups and low-cap stocks are interesting to new investors because they are usually pretty cheap and have the potential to go really high. The problem is that most of them never make it and end up trading on the OTC markets for under $1, buying low and selling high. This may seem obvious, but I've seen a lot of new investors make this mistake. While I believe the best way to invest is to hold the long term, you can still increase your return rate by buying stocks at a lower price. Look at the 1, 5, and 10-year history of the stock. Are you buying it at an all-time high or an all-time low? The lower you buy a stock at, the more chance it will go up over time. Number 6, buying and selling too often. One of the best ways to lose money investing is buying and selling often. Each time you buy or sell, you are likely going to get charged a fee for buying and selling. Some places charge $4.95, some places it's $9.95, but each time you buy or sell a stock, you will get charged a commission fee. This fee is taken out of your invested money, and these fees can add up if you are buying and selling often. Not only that, but each time you sell a stock, you are responsible for paying capital gains taxes, which are usually pretty high. For these two reasons, it's not smart to buy and sell stocks often. The best thing to do is to buy and hold for the long term. Number 7, listening to gurus. The Jim Cramers of the world are a useful tool to gain information, but you should never take stock recommendations from these gurus. A lot of the time, they have agendas to make the stocks they own go up or down. They are also telling you to buy single stocks, which, as I stated before, is not a great idea. Listening to a guru or expert stock picker is a good way to lose money and have a hatred for that person if the stock they suggested doesn't work out. And finally, number 8, not doing your research. Buying stocks blindly is a very dumb way to invest your money. Do your due diligence, read about the stock and what it is about before making any purchases. How much are you going to invest? How long will you keep your investment? What is the stock's return rate? These are all questions that you should be asking yourself before buying any stocks. All of these tips that I gave you are great ways to lose money investing in the stock market. Learn a lesson from me and save yourself hundreds of thousands of dollars. The only thing that you should be buying are ETFs, index funds, and bonds. The stock market as a whole has always and will always go up. The key is to buy it and leave it for the long term to generate compound interest. I hope this video helped you learn the things you shouldn't do when investing. Be sure to subscribe below if you want to see more videos about business, money, and investing. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.